bonds. Okay, so in this space what we are looking at is it involves actually the rotation around the different axes, namely the axis of perpendicular to the helical axis. What we are looking at is the perpendicular axis, this is the helix axis. So this is a normal situation when these axes are in a simple plane, simple two different planes. But what happens when this axis, one of the axis changes, so the horizontal axis in this case is slightly tilted in few degree, that results in the twisting of the hydrogen bonds. As we all know, the hydrogen bonds, we draw hydrogen bonds like this, but normally in this situation what we can look at, so the hydrogen bond is slightly getting tilted like that. In this picture you can look at, this is the hydrogen bond which is getting tilted which is getting twisted because of the tilting of this A or adenine base, and slight tiltation of this thymine base too. So this slightly twist which just change the orientation of the hydrogen bond is called the propeller twist. Okay, so though the hydrogen bonds become distorted, but they never get shriveled off, they yet remain intact. So that's what my message to you, that they are getting distorted but they remain intact. So they do not usually break via the propeller twist. Okay, in terms of DNA stabilization energy, the amount of stabilizing energy contributed by the base stacking is significantly greater than that forms the hydrogen bond. Again, this message is putting into your mind, because you have to put it into your mind and tell the mind that that is the basic significance of making the stacking interaction so stronger, because this is actually donating the main or most of the part rather than the hydrogen bonding part. You have the bases, this is the hydrogen bonding, it will interact with each other. So normal twist is there, normal rotation is there to align the bases in such a way that they can form hydrogen bonds, but the propeller twist helps to align these bonds, helps to stack these bases much more efficiently, because they need to stack with each other via the hydrophobic interactions. So in the first situation, when we discuss about this 36-degree twist, this twist helps those bases to form hydrogen bonds, and after the formation of the hydrogen bond, propeller twist helps for interacting those nitrogenous bases together to make a stacking interaction much more stronger. This is the basic